Everyone, this is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 4/23/2021. I'm doing our 2020 Panini Limited Football half case break number 7. That's a 7-boxer. Guys, these 7 boxes were taken out of a sealed case. If you want to see the sealed case open, that was break number 6 of Limited on our YouTube page there. All right, who's got who in this break? We've got Matt R. with the Cardinals and Mike T. with the Falcons, Daryl D. with the Ravens, and Paul G. with the Bills. Nice to see you back in action, Paul. Dewey B. with the Panthers, Mike T. with the Bears, Angelo M. with the Bengals, David R. with the Browns, Walt S. has both the Cowboys and the Broncos, Mike K. has the Lions, Parker W. with Green Bay, Brandon D. Last Spot Karma with the Texans, Aaron F. with the Colts, Mike T. with the Jags, Walt S. has the Chiefs, Travis S. has the Raiders, Parker W. with the Chargers, Mike H. with the Rams. We've got Aaron F. with the Dolphins, Jeremy P. with the Vikings, Dewey B. has the Patriots, Walt S. with the Saints, Christopher V. W. with the Giants, Tom G. has the Jets, David T. has the Eagles, David R. has the Steelers, Sebastian B. with the 49ers, Christopher V.W. with the Seahawks, Mike H. has the Buccaneers, Dean E. has the Titans, and Aaron F. has the Washington football team. All right, here we go, guys. All cards ship, hits our relics, autos cards 50 or below. Let's get some big ones here. We're going to cut every box. And we'll take the packs out of these lovely chocolate boxes. So much cardboard for such little amounts of content. One day past Earth Day. I was excited because I thought maybe my graded cards would be here today. I could open them live for you. Maybe they'll be here tomorrow. I could go live on Sunday. But yeah, I definitely thought the graded cards would have been here. I figured it'd be a 3-day priority ship, and they went out on Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But hey, all good. All good. I got 25 cards, and I don't remember what's in this batch, except for what I've seen. Tomorrow, this weekend, essentially, be on the lookout for next week's releases. Football-wise, we've got Chronicles coming. Baseball-wise, well, you guys know, Big Bad Bowman. Big Bad Bowman. All right, here we go. All our packs. 2 autos and a relic per box on average. One of them being an on-card patch. There's our packs. Here's our box. Here we go. Trying to straighten everything out here. Oh, all right. Happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday. I thought that was a redemption there for a second on the back. I was like, wait. It's usually a card. Okay. I will sleeve any numbered cards. At least penny sleeve the numbered cards. All right, let's see what we got here first. We'll get a focus. All right, looks good there. Here we go. Stephon Gilmore. Austin Eckler. Do this again. Allen Robinson. Stephon Gilmore. Austin Eckler. Devontae Parker. And how about an old school NFL 100? Lenny Moore from the Baltimore Colts. Very nice. Who's got Indy? Indy is Aaron F. Congrats, Aaron F. on that old school auto. Lenny Moore. Very nice. Tops 100. All right, next. Ben Roethlisberger. Amari Cooper. There's our numbered card, and it is to 15. Terry McLaurin, purple to 15 for the Washington football team. This is an Aaron F. box. Going to Aaron F. Very nice. Our relic to 199, Brandon Ayuk, San Francisco. Sebastian, pride of Arizona State right there. And Zeke Elliott. All right. This one is 2 from the back. Here we go. Russell Wilson, Chris Godwin, Mark Ingram, Jimmy G, and nice. The 175 relic auto RPA of Denzel Mims, Baylor Pride here. New York Jets, Tom G. There you go, Tom. Back at it, buddy. Back at it with your Jets. Crushing it. All right. Okay. Next box. It's a nice patch, too. And the Jets you can only get a 3-color patch. Maybe if they have the jersey with a little bit of black in it, a 3-color patch. So that's a pretty nice one for the Jets. All right. Guys, all of our basketballs all of our footballs in the teens. The majority of our basketballs in the teens. One of our baseballs is in the teens. All right, let's see what we got here. Matthew Stafford, Max Crosby, Aaron Donald, Jimmy Garoppolo to 149. And how about a little roll tide action? Josh Jacobs for the Vegas Raiders. There you go, Travis. Not Brian Edwards, but Josh Jacobs, a little roll tide action. Right there. I promise next week I will have some new graphics. That was on my to-do list. We'll see if I really get it done. But, all right, let's check out the auto. Speaking of Josh Jacobs, we got Keenan Allen, Roll Tide Josh Jacobs, Marvin Jones, Daniel Jones, and Shaq Barrett. Shaquille Barrett, and that is to 10. Wow, we're getting some nice autos here. The on-card Lenny Moore, then this Shaq Barrett to 10, Tampa. Mike H, there you go, Mike. There you go, buddy. Guys, I just sent out a package of all of that basketball that went off last week, was it? Maybe 2 weeks ago. The Origins and, I think there's a Revolution in there. So all of that just went out today. All right. 2 from the back. Patty Mahomes. Tyler Higbee, Keelan Cole, DK Metcalf, and how about KJ Hamler? How about a KJ Hamler to 25, purple. 7 out of 25, Denver, purple. Walt S. Walt S. getting that one. Congrats, Walt. Nice purple, too, to 25. All right. Box number 3. BWC giving it a nice... BWC, is that Walt? Is that Mike H? I don't know who that is. Walt. Okay, Walt. Awesome, buddy. I just didn't know your handle. So, like to put a face to the name. Ooh, I think this might be our RPA. Let's see. I think it is. DK Metcalf. Cooper Kupp, the pride of Eastern Washington. Melvin Gordon. Baker's turned around. Baker's to 75, so this might be just the relic, or they give us 2 relic autos. That'd be sweet. Because usually the numbered card leads into the relic. I'm pretty sure. No, this is just a nice jumbo patch. Very nice. 19 out of 25. Beautiful card. Those Rams never hit. 3-color patch. Mike H. Mike H. getting that one. Cam Akers. Beautiful. That is a sick-looking card right there. All right, we got a redemption coming. Russell Gage, Baker Mayfield, Aaron Donald. All right, we'll use Saquon to lead us into what we got going on here. Limited Draft Day Signature Booklet. Ooh, baby. Jonathan Ogden is going to be a Ravens Draft Day Signature Booklet. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Jonathan Ogden, Ravens. Who is that? Daryl D, if you're out there. How about that? How about that? Ravens signature booklet. Very nice. And this card looks thick too. Tre'Davious White, Darren Waller, James Conner, Michael Thomas. 5 of 8. Ring of Honor, Brett Favre, on-card auto. Parker, are you out there, buddy? 5 of 8. Ring of Honor, Brett Favre, on-card auto. What a box. What a box. It's been a while. It's been a hot minute since I pulled a Brett Favre. Wow. I had a feeling the second half was going to be a hot half because the first half was all right. Not that there was anything bad. There were some nice patches, but I just felt like the big stuff was in this half. All right. Halfway point. Getting to it here. Halfway point will be like, somewhere in the middle of this middle pack. All right, this is definitely our auto. I think this is going to be our relic. Let's see if I guess right. All right, Patty Mahomes, Tyler Higbee, Marvin Jones Jr., Daniel Jones. Nope, this is going to be our RPA. Why not? Why not? 4 of 49. We'll still give him a roll tide, but 4 of 49. Who's got those Eagles? Dave T. Dave T. Jalen Hurts. Wow. 3-color patch. I don't know why I put my I don't know why I put these sleeves away. All right. What a Friday night kickoff we got going here, guys. 4 of 49. Jalen Hurts. Brett Favre, Jalen Hurts, Ogden booklet. Holy cow. Congrats, Dave T. All right, let's look at the relics. Tre'Davious White, Darren Waller, Drew Lock, Jared Goff. The what? Holy crap! What a box, Tua! What? I thought they gave us a Tua patch. They gave us 2 RPAs in the same box. Aaron F. Aaron F. So, In case you missed the last 4 auto hits out of the last 2 boxes, Ogden Redemption Booklet, Brett Favre auto to 8, RPA to 49, Jalen Hurts, RPA to 149, Tua Tagovailoa. Wow. 2 RPAs. And I think that's an auto, unless that's a really thin jersey here. Did they give us 3 autos? Oh, okay, here's why, guys. We'll see why in a second. They gave us this. But they gave us 2 RPAs, so could we really be mad? I mean, and 600 points is a lot. So this will be random between hitless teams in the hit recap video. Myles Gaskin. So they replaced the relic. Holy cow. They replaced a relic with 600 points. Keenan Allen, Josh Jacobs. I don't think we got a numbered card either, but that's all right. That's all right. All right. Second half of this break. How ridiculous. How ridiculous. When I saw the Tua turned around, I just figured it was a Tua relic. Yowza. All right. Yeah, I know, right? I don't know if it could get better. All right, let's look here. Richard Sherman, Tannehill, A.J. Brown. Tyler Boyd's going to be our numbered card to 149 for the Bengals. Jalen Reagor. If somehow Herbert and shows up in this half too, and Joey Burrow, we've got something interesting. David T. getting that to 49. Nice relic. All right. Let's do the auto. Yeah, it's an auto. I just want to make sure it wasn't points. All right. Sammy Darnold, Matthew, T.J. Watt, and Darius Leonard. And Alton Robinson to 99 for Seattle. Seattle on the board. Seattle is Christopher V.W. Christopher V.W. With a little love thrown in, yeah. If I could get all of them, make the whole place explode here. All right, here we go. Adam Thielen, Dak Prescott, Alex Smith, Kenyon Drake, Roll Tide. Well, it's not bad at all. eBay 101. 75 out of 75. Colts, Aaron F. Jonathan Taylor. Jonathan Taylor, RPA, 75 out of 75. Very nice. Congrats there. All right, we got 2 more boxes to look through. First rounder, first rounder, first rounder, first rounder. Jeez. Guys, let's keep filling up stuff tonight. We want to keep breaking, keep going. 30% off last time. Last time. Guarantee it's last time because we got new releases next week, and that's what's going to be pushing us. So that's what's going to be pushing. All right. Ooh, I got 2 thin. Let's try this one. We got a redemption. Okay. Jamison Crowder, Drew Lock, DK Metcalf, Daniel Hunter, and here comes. How about Rookie, this is our RPA. Rookie patch autograph variations. Gold spotlight, Chase Claypool, Pittsburgh. David R., there you go, Teach. Steelers. Getting that one. Congrats there. Chase Claypool, Pittsburgh. Clever showing up. I don't know all the new people here, but all you new people, make sure you like and subscribe. Tyler Boyd, Marquise Brown, Dalvin Cook. All right, here's a nice Chubb. That's going to be to 149. And a little Roll Tide, Calvin Ridley. Calvin Ridley, Roll Tide. Mike T getting that one. In case this is down to 7. Yes, it is. All right. And our auto. Gronk, DeMarcus Lawrence. Derrick Henry, Roll Tide. Frank Gore. I saw the black and orange. I'm like, no way it's Joey Burrow, right? Okay. 99, Logan Wilson. The Bengals are on the board, though. Angelo getting that one. All right. Well, we've got one box left. I'd hate to see this case end, but it looked like it, Angelo. It looked like it. I saw the black and orange. All right. Let me see here. Is that? Yes. Okay, so this will be our relic. All right, Jared Goff, Kyler Murray, Terry McLaurin, and Roll Tide Derrick Henry to 149. We've got a dual relic of Dalvin Cook and Joe Mixon to 99. Let's see. Minnesota is Jeremy P. Angelo has the Bengals, so I'm going to have to random this one. I'm going to have to random this one in the hit recap video. I already have to do a random for the points, so not a problem there. All right, we'll do our auto next. Looks like Charger or Ram Blue. Looks like Charger Blue. Myles Gaskin, Jamal Adams, Tom Terrific, D-Hop. It is Charger Blue. Joe Reed out of Virginia to 199. Chargers on the board. It's Parker. Okay, here we go. Last hit. Marvin Jones, Daniel Jones, DJ Shark, Phillip. Which way are we going to go here? It's a Packer. Wow. I don't know what to say about this case, guys. I don't know what to say. Parker, buddy. Clever, what's your name? I don't recognize the handle. All right, here we go. Little love. How about 3 of 5? 3 of 5, Jordan Love. 3 of 5, Jordan Love. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, I do have another case of limited I'll be listing at some point in time next week. I don't know what to say. Congrats to everybody. You'll get all your cards shipped. If you didn't get anything, we'll send you a pack of cards on top of it. Random will be done for the points in that dual relic in the hit recap video.